All right. 8:51. Boiling some eggs for breakfast. They have cracked. We're going to Chicago.
Yes, we literally just finished packing.
It is 1 degrees outside.
In Chicago.
In Chicago. Not in Florida, it's 80 degrees. It's pretty much spring break. He likes to act like a clown. He doesn't like to act his age. Kaya, what are you doing, baby?
She's trying to stuff that teddy bear in that bag.
Some say hello. Can you please act your age, please?
No. I don't know how to do stuff. Yeah.
Kaya, you ready for your trip?
Kai, where are we going?
Do a trip.
Where?
To Chicago. To Chicago.
Is it gonna be cold?
Oh yeah. Go Chicago.
Are you ready to see snow?
Yeah. Then we're gonna make sand castles. I mean snow castles. I saw it on paper.
We're not making any of that stuff. It is too cold. We just got to the airport. And it's packed.
Hi.
It's never like this. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Excited?
At least our flight is in an hour and a half, so we're not too late.
Go, go.
Are you ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? Come on, go, 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 go.
We are boarding now. Hectic morning.
Did you get her holding her bag?
No?
Kai, you're gonna have to put it on your back when we get in line, baby. Okay?
My boarding pass didn't go through. I had to run back to print a boarding pass.
I woke up at 5:30 to start getting packed because I didn't pack at all. And I had to do the laundry, pack, pack the kids' clothes, pretty much do everything. And our flight was at 11:35 today. Anywho, we finished packing around 9 o'clock. We were supposed to leave the house at 9 o'clock. We ended up leaving the house at 9:19. Then we realized we had to get gas. So we went to get gas. But we got to the airport on time. Well, not on time, but like 10:15. Mind you, so that's a good hour and 45 minutes, I think. Whatever. It was a good time. We got there, the line was outrageously long. That's because they had the K9, and when they have the K9, we don't have to take our shoes off, so that's actually a nice trade-off. Then as we're going through TSA, Eli's boarding pass was not working, so he had to go back to get a printed ticket to come back through TSA. But again, another hectic trip. Well, the beginning of the trip, because we're always rushing. We never do stuff on time. Do not be us. She doesn't believe me that the internet's not working, so she's gonna ask me again. Yes? It's not gonna work, baby. The internet, there's no internet. That's why mommy downloaded the shows for you.
So what do you guys think about your first airplane ride you can remember in Chicago? How was it?
Your ears hurt.
Your ears were hurting?
No,
She lost an earring.
She lost an earring?
My earring is gone.
How was your flight?
Good, my neck and my head hurt.
Yeah, because maybe because you're watching your iPad like this.
No, I was watching it on the table like this.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Was it a long ride, you think?
Yeah, it was like 3 hours.
It was.
How many hours does it have?
It was 2 hours and 50.
Knocked out. My poor baby. Scoot back, scoot back.
Doors closing.
But he's sleeping.
It is so cold. My nose is frozen. Papa's frozen. Taya said her legs frozen. That's what she watched. Why did we decide to do this trip?
Wait, hey, come here. Where you going?
Maybe because it's mad at you? Finally!
They were waiting to get off of the jacket.
Off of me! Here you go.
Do we have a view?
Nah.
We have a view of that building over there.
Oh, suck me.
Oh. So, we are headed to dinner. Where are we headed to, guys?
Dinner.
And what are we gonna eat?
Pizza!
Go, 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 go. Put your hands in your pockets. Go. Oh, there's somebody's hand. We're so cold. Baby, you should have picked a closest try. I think my mouth is getting frozen as I talk. I can feel my lips getting frozen. We're all here already?
No, I can't find a street name, bro.
So I just want to talk about the trip real quick. As we're walking to the hotel, from the train to the hotel, Kaden, Kaya, me and Eliza, we're all bundled up, but it was cold. You can still feel the cold outside. Anyways, as we're walking, 5 minutes in, Kaden goes, "I'm so cold that I'm frozen." And he literally just like froze there instead of moving. Meaning, we all have to tell him to start moving so we don't get colder because we're taking longer to get to the hotel. And they would just stop saying, "I'm frozen," and then they wouldn't want to move. I thought that was pretty funny. Right? And they decided to stick their glove into the snow and say that they're not cold, but they were freezing. And Kaya legit just stopped walking because she said she was so cold. So we had to pick her up. Right, baby? Oh. So we had to bundle her up. We're going to bundle up tomorrow, right? What do you have to say?
Bundle up.
Huh?
Bundle up.
Bundle up.
What does bundle up mean?
To like snuggle you up.
Snuggle.
Yes. Anyways, I thought that was funny. Bye.